Welcome to Big Mouth Academy,
where learning is big fun.
Class is now in session.
Look at all these surprise animal friends. Looking good. Wow. Now, do you know the names of all of these animals? Well, let's find some surprise letters and see if we can spell out the names of these animals. And what animal is this? Let's use the letters and spell it out together. Bull. B-U-L-L. Bull. Oink, oink. Let's get to spelling. Pig. P-I-G. Pig. Wow, so do you know who this is? Let's see if our magic letters can help. Goat. G-O-A-T. Goat. Hey! 1, 2, 3, spell. Horse. H-O-R-S-E. Horse. Let's spell it out fast. Cow. C-O-W. Cow. Now for an Animal Farm surprise. Surprise! Disney Frozen. Shake, shake, shake. Disney Frozen! Magic Kinder. Hey, Hans! Let's get to work! Great job!
School's out!
A+ good time! Learning is big fun! Thanks for playing! Bye-bye! It's an apple! Yes! A-P-P-L-E. Apple! You got it! Looks like a spelling surprise! Let's crack open the fun! Surprise! Shake, shake, shake!